Well, alright guys, once you remove all 4 of the screws, hopefully this should be a little bit easier. Let's see what happens. I'm scooching the camera back, but it looks like it should be easy to get this off, and thank goodness for that. I really like when companies make it easy for you to be able to take things apart and service them, and I guess this tank may end up getting some pretty good marks in that regard. So let's see. It looks like this is probably what's making all the noise, and so if we were to just cut the wires here, that would pretty much solve the problem. Or we could desolder them. Truly depends on what you want to do. If just by cutting them it solves the issue, I might not have to do much else to get this thing done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.